Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're reviewing a feature-packed dual dashcam setup that brings crystal clear 4K video, GPS tracking, and lightning-fast 5.8G Wi-Fi to your daily drive, all at a shockingly good price. Say hello to the 4K dashcam front and rear combo, the ultimate smart protection system for your car. Let's start with the cameras. In the front, you've got an ultra-sharp 4K UHD lens capturing every detail on the road, from license plates to street signs, even in fast-moving traffic. The rear camera records in crisp 1080p, giving you full coverage of both ends of your vehicle for maximum protection and peace of mind. The image quality here is seriously impressive, especially with WDR wide dynamic range and super night vision. Whether you're driving in harsh sunlight or pitch black conditions, the footage stays clear, balanced, and usable. What makes this model stand out is its upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, much faster than standard 2.4G cams. You can quickly transfer videos to your phone without lag using the companion app, review incidents, share footage, or download clips directly to your device within seconds. The built-in GPS module logs your driving route, speed, and location, a critical feature for insurance claims or verifying incidents. Plus, it comes with a 64 GB micro SD card included, so you're ready to roll straight out of the box. The 3-inch IPS screen gives you a vibrant, wide-angle live view of your footage and menu controls, and it's all super intuitive to use. The camera also supports 24-hour parking monitoring, with motion detection and G-sensor emergency lock to capture and save footage even when your vehicle is unattended. Installation is quick and hassle-free with the included mounting hardware and wiring kit. Whether you're a daily commuter, Uber driver, or road tripper, this system is a perfect companion for any vehicle. Bottom line, this 4K dual dashcam delivers premium features like 4K front recording, fast Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, and 24-hour security, all in one clean package. If you're serious about protecting your ride in 2025, this is one of the smartest investments you can make. Click the link in the description to grab yours. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and ring that bell for more smart car tech reviews.